Welcome back to channel. If you've ever wondered how to create amazing, professional quality images using nothing but AI, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the best AI tools available for generating images in 2024. Whether you're a digital artist, a content creator, or just someone fascinated by technology, these tools are transforming the way we create visuals. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the tools themselves, let's take a quick moment to understand what AI image generation is. Simply put, it's the process of using artificial intelligence to generate images based on text descriptions or prompts. This means you can type out a description, and the AI will create a visual representation of that description for you, be it realistic photos, abstract art, or anything in between. This is top AI image generators in 2024. 1. Midjourney. First on our list is Midjourney. Known for its stunning, artistic, and sometimes surreal creations, Midjourney excels in transforming detailed prompts into high-quality images. Midjourney works through Discord, where you input a prompt, and the bot generates images in minutes. Whether you're looking for a futuristic cityscape or an abstract representation of an emotion, Midjourney's ability to craft intricate, painterly-style visuals makes it a top choice for artists and designers. 2. DALL T3 by OpenAI. Next up, we have DALL T3, developed by OpenAI. This tool has gained massive attention due to its ability to generate highly detailed, realistic images from simple text descriptions. What sets DALL E3 apart is its integration with tools like ChatGPT, meaning you can not only generate images, but also have interactive conversations with the AI to refine your results. It's great for creating visuals that range from realistic photography to fantasy art. 3. Adobe Firefly. Next, we have Adobe Firefly, which brings Adobe's creative genius to the world of AI image generation. Adobe Firefly focuses on generating images and vectors while maintaining a user-friendly interface that integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products. Its AI is trained on a vast collection of images, ensuring that the results are creative and visually cohesive. Plus, all the content created with Firefly is copyright safe, which is a huge win for commercial use. 4. Stable Diffusion. For those who like a little more control over their image generation, Stable Diffusion is an open-source option that offers extensive customization. Stable Diffusion allows you to adjust specific parameters like style, lighting, and composition, giving users more freedom in fine-tuning the results. It's hosted on platforms like Dream Studio and ClipDrop, making it easy for creators to use without deep technical knowledge. 5. Canva AI. Finally, we can't forget Canva AI, which is perfect for those who want to quickly create images for social media, presentations, and marketing. Canva's AI feature lets you generate images from text and offers a wide range of design templates to help you quickly create professional-looking graphics. Whether you need a promotional banner or a branded Instagram post, Canva's integration with AI tools like text-to-image can elevate your design game. Now that we've seen some of the best tools, let's quickly compare them. If you're looking for artistic, surreal images, Midjourney is your go-to. For photorealistic images and the ability to interact with AI, DALL T3 excels. If you're looking for professional, customizable images with a focus on copyright safety, Adobe Firefly might be your best bet. And for those who want complete control and the ability to fine-tune their designs, Stable Diffusion is the way to go. Meanwhile, Canva AI is perfect for creating social media and marketing images on the fly. Getting started with any of these tools is easier than you might think. Most platforms offer free trials or limited access to their services, so you can test them out before committing. Simply sign up for an account and start generating images based on your prompts. So, there you have it. Whether you're an artist, designer, or content creator, AI is revolutionizing the way we create images. From artistic renders to professional designs, these tools are making it easier than ever to bring your ideas to life. Which AI image generator are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on more exciting AI content. See you next time.